Hello students, today we are going to begin with the topic LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Now this topic we have studied in the previous year also. But at that time, which method we used? First, we used to write the multiples of the given number. Multiple means what? The multiplication table. And multiplication table of 8 will be 8, 16, 24, 4 32, 5 40, 6 48 and so on. And the multiplication of table of 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and so on. Multiplication table does not have any end. So we can write it till wherever we want. Now we will find the common multiples. See here 24, it is common, it is present in both the multiples, and 48 is also common. If we write further the multiples, we can get more numbers in common, but which we have to find? Least common multiple. So which is the least out of the common multiple? 24. So LCM is 24. But this was the previous year method. This year we are going to see the prime factorization method. So for that, first we will find the prime factors of 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So what are the factors of 8? 2 into 2 into 2. Similarly, we will find the factors of 12. 2 6s, 2 3s, 3 1s. This we have to solve till 1. So, prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. Now, for finding the HCF, what we have done? We have taken only the common factors. So here 1 2 is common, one more 2 is common, and here this second 2 and second 2 is also common. So HCF is 2 into 2, that is 4. But now we have to find LCM. So for LCM, what we will do? That 2 is common in both the numbers. Okay, so we have to see the maximum occurrence of 2. In this factorization of 8, 2 occurs 3 times and here 2 occurs only 2 times. So we will take the maximum occurrence, means 2 we will take 3 times. यहाँ 3 बार मल्टीप्लिकेशन है 2 का और यहाँ 2 बार है, तो जहाँ ज़्यादा बार मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वो वाला हम कंसिडर करेंगे, और जो फैक्टर रिपीट नहीं भी हुआ है उसको भी हम साथ में मल्टीप्लिकेशन में लेंगे. सो द LCM विल बी 2 2s 4, 2s 8, 3s 24. LCM will be 24. Understood the difference between HCF and LCM? HCF में सिर्फ और सिर्फ कॉमन वाले लेना है, और LCM निकालते वक्त जो नंबर कॉमन है तो उसका मैक्सिमम अकरेंस लेना है, और अगर कोई नंबर कॉमन नहीं है उसको भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन में लेना है, मतलब जो एक ही बार आ रहा है उसको भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन में लेना है. Now again this is also a long cut method. So what we will do, just like we did in HCF, we will take both the numbers together. We will take both the numbers together. Find the common factor. 2 4s, 2 6s, again 2 2s, 3s. Now there is no common factor for 2 and 3. So here we will stop the prime factorization, and for finding the LCM, अगर आपको HCF निकालना है तो हम क्या करते थे? we used to multiply the numbers in the left column, only the numbers in this leftmost column. 2 into 2, 4. See, 4, 4. But for finding the LCM, we have to take the L, means number in this column and number in this row. ऐसा याद रखना है आपको, L for LCM. तो हमको ऐसा L मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो ये कॉलम के भी और ये रो के भी. सो LCM विल बी 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3. आंसर इज 24. ये और ये, दिस कॉलम एंड दिस लास्ट रो, सब हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो ये L शेप बनता है, दिस कॉलम एंड दिस रो. सो रिमेंबर दैट फॉर फाइंडिंग द LCM यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द L, मतलब ये कॉलम और ये रो आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो वन मोर एग्जाम्पल वी विल टेक फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सपोज 16, 28 and 40. So first we will write the numbers together. Then we will draw the columns. Now the first common factor for 16, 28 and 40 is 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 14s are 28. See, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and here 20. Again 2 4s are 8, 7s are 14 and 10s are 20. अब जब हम HCF निकालते थे तो हम यहाँ स्टॉप कर देते थे, क्योंकि तीनों नंबर के लिए हमें कॉमन फैक्टर ढूंढना पड़ता है. HCF निकालते वक्त जो जितने भी नंबर लास्ट रो में हैं उन सब का कॉमन फैक्टर ढूंढना पड़ता है. सो देर इज़ नो सच नंबर विच कैन डिवाइड 4 ऑल्सो, 7 ऑल्सो एंड 10 ऑल्सो. सो फॉर फाइंडिंग HCF this much is enough, and HCF is 2 into 2 4. But for finding LCM we have to go one step further. अब यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं 4 and 10 can be divided by 2. Okay, so we can find the number that divide at least 2 numbers obtained in the last row. कम से कम 2 भी अगर डिवाइड हो रहे हैं तो हम उसको आगे सॉल्व करेंगे. सो 4 and 10 can be divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 7 cannot be divided by 2, so 7 we will write down as it is. We will copy the 7 as it is. Leave it as it is. Now, any two numbers, just now what I told you, at least two numbers should be divided by a same number. At least two numbers should have a common factor. तो यहाँ पे 2 नंबर भी नहीं है अभी जिनका कोई कॉमन फैक्टर हो सकता है. 2 और 7 का भी नहीं, 7 और 5 का भी नहीं, 2 और 5 का भी नहीं, बिकॉज ऑल दीज आर प्राइम नंबर्स. सो आवर प्रोसीजर स्टॉप्स हियर. अंडरस्टूड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन LCM एंड HCF. HCF अगर होता तो हम यहाँ पे स्टॉप कर देते थे, पर LCM में अगर 2 नंबर का भी कॉमन कोई फैक्टर आ रहा है तो उसको आगे सॉल्व करेंगे. सो LCM विल बी L शेप, 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 7 इंटू 5. So the answer of this will be 560. 560. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 7 5s are 35. 16 into 35 is 560. Understood? Now one more example we will take. Suppose 18 and 30. 18 and 30. Now first write the numbers 18 and 30. Then divide it into columns. First factor of 18 and 13 is 2. It can be divided by 2. 2 nines are 2 15s are. Now the next factor will be 3 3s are 3 5s are. Now only 2 are remaining. हमने ऊपर क्या देखा था कि एटलीस्ट 2 नंबर तो भी सेम नंबर से डिवाइड होने चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे तो 2 ही है और वो दोनों किसी से डिवाइड नहीं हो रहे हैं. So this will stop our procedure. What will be the LCM here? 2 3s are 6. Sorry, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, L shape we have to take, this also and this also. So like this we have to multiply this and this. Now the answer will be 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10, 10 into 9 90. LCM will be 90 and HCF also we can find here. 2 into 3 it is 6. Okay, अगर 2 नंबर का ही एग्जाम्पल है तो लेफ्ट वाला HCF होता है और L शेप वाला LCM होता है. और अगर 3 नंबर का एग्जाम्पल है तो फिर HCF के लिए हमें थोड़ा सोचना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू स्टॉप एट दिस प्लेस लाइक दिस. ओके, इफ वी हाइड दिस देन दिस इज द HCF 2 into 2 and for LCM we have to go further. So that much is the difference. अगर 2 नंबर है तो directly we can find the LCM and HCF. Left वाला HCF और L वाला LCM. Now one property we have to study. Suppose if we multiply the given numbers 18 into 30. So what we will get? 18 zeros are 0 and 18 threes are 54. दिए हुए नंबर, क्वेश्चन में दिए हुए नंबर, if we multiply those numbers we got 540. And if we multiply LCM and HCF, LCM is 90, HCF is 6. So if we multiply LCM and HCF, what we will get? 6 zeros are 0, 6 nines are 54. So what do you observe? That product of the given numbers and product of LCM and HCF, these two products are equal. So what property we find from here? That product of given numbers equal to LCM into HCF. One more example we will take for verifying this property. Okay, suppose 15, 45 and 105. This example we will take. So this is our example number 4. Now here first step is write down all the numbers. Then make columns. The first factor of 15, 45 and 105 you can take as 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45 and here 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So 21. Now there is no common factor for all the 3 numbers. Is there any common factor? Yes, there is. Factor is 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. Now no common factor for these 3 numbers. तो HCF हमें मिल जाएगा 5 into 3 that is 15. HCF means only left side multiplication. एंड फॉर LCM हम आगे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं क्या? LCM में हमने क्या देखा था कि एटलीस्ट 2 नंबर तो भी आगे सॉल्व हो सकते हैं क्या, वो चेक करो. एटलीस्ट 2 नंबर का कोई कॉमन डिवाइज़र मिलता है क्या, देखो तो वो भी यहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा है. देर इज़ नो कॉमन डिवाइज़र फॉर दीज नंबर्स. सो LCM we can find as L shape, 5 into 3 into 3 into 7. ये भी और ये भी ऐसा L हमें बनाना है for finding LCM. Here I have not taken 1 because 1 into anything is same number. So here LCM will be 315. Okay. 5 3s are 15. 7 3s are 21. 15 into 21 is 315. Now we will check the property. First find the product of the given numbers. So 15 into 45 into 105. This product we get 70,875. And if we multiply HCF into LCM, means 315 into 15, the answer we get is 4,725. So here what we observe, product of given numbers and product of LCM HCF, they are not same. So from the previous example, this one and the next example, what we observe, that this property, it is true only for two numbers. Okay, it is true for the examples of two numbers only. So like this we can find the LCM. Now one more example we will take, that if it is given that the product of two two-digit numbers is 1280 and the GCD is 4. Okay, this is a textbook example that we are going to take. The multiplication of two numbers is 1280. GCD means HCF is 4. Then what is the LCM? So what property we have learned? HCF into LCM equal to product of given numbers. Now product of given numbers is 1280. HCF is 4. LCM we will write as it is. Now 4 we will shift on this side. So multiplication will get converted into division. So 1280 upon 4 is 320. So HCF is 4. LCM is 320. किसका? ऐसे दो नंबर्स का जिनका प्रोडक्ट आता है 1280. Understood? Now in the next lecture we are going to solve practice set 13. Okay. Thank you.